Hey everyone, how's it going? So I had a lot of fun mixing up Godzilla and Sonic in my recent short video. So I thought it'd be fun to show you guys how to draw it step by step. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Godzilla and Sonic mashup. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today.
Now to start off with our Sonic Godzilla crossover, let's begin with the eyes. So I want to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down, and then we're going to curve this up and down to here. Next, I want to bring this line down, and then I'll bring it all the way up to here for the eye. Now right here, we're going to go down, and I'll bring this up to about here. And then before I draw that eye, I'm going to make the nose. So I'm going to draw the nose. I'm going to make this come out and then down. Then I'm going to bring this over. And then I'm going to put a couple little bumps here and then right to here. Next, I'll continue this eye down to here. I'll make a little pupil, and I'll color in most of it, leaving a little white, and then I'll do the same thing here. We'll make a line down here, and a line that comes down here. Then for the mouth, I'm going to bring a line up. I want to make a little line here, and then I'm going to make a couple little V shapes for some sharp teeth. Next, I want to put a couple little lines right behind the eye. Then we're going to bring this line up and down for the eyebrow. And then we'll bring this line up and down for the other eyebrow. Next, I'm going to bring this line up to here. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes up and down, and then up, and then down here. Then let's connect it with a curve. Next, we're going to bring this line down and in, and then I'm going to bring this down and then over. Next, for the body, I'm going to curve this line out and then down. Then I'm going to draw a line down here. For the leg, we'll bring this over and then up. We'll bring this line over, come down for the leg. We'll bring it over and then up. Now, before I bring this up any higher, I'm going to make this arm. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to go out and then in. And I'll curve this around. We'll go down, and then we'll bring this in and connect. Curve here. Curve in, and then curve in. Now here for the hand, I'm going to bring this line down and in, down and over to here, and then we'll connect it. Then we'll bring this line down. Now for this arm, I'm going to go down and then over. We'll go straight down and then just kind of follow that same curve again. Now right here, I'm going to curve this line around for a thumb and then bring it back. I'm going to bring this up, down, and then around to here. Then we'll make 3 little bumps and then I'm going to go down and in, and then connect to here. Then I'll bring it to here. A curve and connect, and we'll just go right to here. So it looks like he's pointing at himself. Now let's make his shoes. We'll make a little bump on each side, and then a second one that we connect. We'll bring this down, over, and then up. Then we're just going to bring this around here. And we'll just make a line here. Over here, bump and bump, and then a second one here. We're going to bring this line down and then over into here. Line down here. And then two curves. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and connect to here. Then we're going to draw some lines across, just kind of give them that scaly texture. Now we're going to make some more spikes. So I'm going to make a line that comes out and in, and then out and into here. We'll make one here, out and in, and then we'll go out and then into here. We'll kind of bring it down. Then we're going to make the tail. So we're just going to bring this line to here, kind of round it off, make it skinny, and then make it a little bit fatter as it comes back. We can bring it right to here. Then we're going to make these spikes again. So we're just going to make about 3 little points on each one. We're going to make these pretty pointy too. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Godzilla Sonic crossover. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.